Okay. You can see some of the Cotai Strip right in here. Galaxy, the lights are lit up a little bit, and the sun is just going down, and we got everything kind of lit up. It looks real nice. So what we're gonna do is just take a little drive around in here and kind of show you some aspects of the Cotai Strip. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, to the right there's all these kind of new buildings, and there's also quite a bit of construction here as well. So there's a lot already in the Cotai Strip in Macau, and there's a lot that's still being developed. So for example, those buildings with the cranes on them are part of Galaxy, and that's just, Galaxy is continually being built. I think it's going to be the biggest casino in the world when it's fully built, and it's right there. And then over here is Broadway. We'll highlight over there. Let's see what that looks like. Broadway actually has a connector right there, so you can go over this kind of large road. And I think what we're gonna do is drive into Cotai Strip a little bit. I think the lighting is just about perfect. Actually, we have some amazing lighting with the way the casinos come up right about this time. I just happened to be in the car, and I think it's a good time to try to capture. And you can also see there's quite a bit of construction here, and it'll be interesting when this is fully realized. Let me see if I can take a left in here. Yeah, I can. Okay, good. So we're gonna follow this construction down, but as soon as we turn right here, you're gonna start seeing some well lit up stuff. There we go. So yeah, there's still lots of construction here. It'll be interesting when this is fully realized. To the right is an ecological zone, and to the left is part of the Galaxy. But this Galaxy Casino was just fully built and opened quite recently, just a couple months ago. And they opened up with, I think it was the first one was a Blackpink show. So that's right here at the Galaxy Arena. And then straight ahead, Studio City just opened up some new wings with a big amusement park that got expanded quite a bit. So you have a few things right here. And then the Parisian is the one that's straight ahead. Yeah, now we got lots of tourists walking around already now. I think maybe on camera I just caught a policeman with a camera. So the policeman will usually, I think that kind of validates that they were where they're supposed to be. So they'll take a picture from certain locations. Team Lab, that's some kind of artistic venture that I heard is quite amazing. So there's Galaxy right there. Yeah, and all the lighting is upon us. Lots of people waiting for, I think those are employee bus right there. Studio City to the right. Parisian to the left. So I think this is kind of a nice little tour around here, just because a lot of people, they don't really fully realize exactly what it looks like in Macau, just the way that it's set up. They call it the Cotai Strip, but it's not actually like one road, like in the Las Vegas Strip, like a one main road. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down what is kind of perceived as kind of the main road, but it's not, has a different name. I think we're actually on the Cotai Road right now. There's Studio City right there. And then over here, we're gonna go right down it, but that over there is like the Londoner Casino, MGM, and Grand Lisboa Palace, sorry. And then there's another one, Lisboeta, way in the distance. So all of those are right here. Parisian is there. And Studio City is here. Better move up a little bit closer. And what we're gonna do in a moment is we're just gonna go straight ahead. Lots of tourists walking around. this would actually be a pretty ideal time to film that as well if I wasn't in the car already. I could be walking around and kind of showing you on the ground. Okay, we got our lights, so we're going to be turning now. And I'm in this lane so that I can basically go right down the middle. And now you can see the Parisian very clearly. And you can see the Londoner all lit up as well. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over in this lane. There's the Londoner right there. And this overpass right here connects the Londoner with the Parisian with the Venetian. All three are the same owner, and they're all kind of connected. And I'm gonna go down this particular road. I could go straight, it's also interesting as well, but I'm gonna go down this one, and I'm gonna go by City of Dreams and go down to Wynn Palace. Oh, those people are walking across illegally right there. A little bit dangerous. There is a crosswalk just down a little bit further. Down that way. So there's City of Dreams. And right here we got a giant statue and a Londoner. Yeah, the sun is just going to go down a little bit. I think what I'm going to be doing, you can see the Morpheus a little bit right there. So I'm going to go straight down to the Wynn Palace. And I think I'm going to film outside, and the lighting is just about right. Usually the music is a little bit loud down there, but I think it's okay. Okay, so now we have our green light. Oh, it looks like some of the same people are going illegally across here too. Oh, it's the same girls, okay. I guess they don't know. It's kind of common, the mainlanders, they don't really know how the cross works, how the roads work with the crosswalks. Let me just see here. I think we actually have the right of way. So those girls are still not in the crosswalks. They're just kind of walking around randomly in the street. Okay. Wow, that lighting looks really nice right there. And then we're going to be going directly to the Wynn Palace. And I think that's a good place. I can actually park temporarily in that space anyways, and it's kind of a nice space to park. The lighting looks just perfect right now too. And MGM. I just watched a pretty interesting documentary about MGM just recently. We got construction right here. And the beautiful Wynn Palace. And the MGM. Okay. So above us is the train line. And what I'm gonna do is go in this little roundabout. There's some international school down that way. The airport is, there's the international school right there. The airport is down this road. And I'm gonna be going over by Wynn Palace. I'm going to do what these other people are doing. I'm going to park temporarily. Now we're basically underneath the train line, MGM's right over there. And that's quite a show over there at the Wynn Palace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video and kind of highlight, because there's so many people over there. It looks really cool. So I'm going to get out of the car and end this one. But yeah, a little bit of a touch of Cotai Strip. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.